Why did you choose to study in Australia instead of your home country or other countries?
I chose Australia because of its globally recognized education system. It focuses on strong emphasis on research and innovation and multicultural environment. Compared to other countries like USA or UK, Australia offers more reasonable education and living costs while still maintaining high academic standards. In addition, Australia post-study work right provide international students with an opportunity to gain practical experience after graduation, which is why I chose Australia to over my home country or any other countries.
Why did you choose to Western Sydney University?
Western Sydney University stood out for me because of its strong emphasis on industry, integrated learning, and its modern approach to teaching data science. The Bachelor's of Data Science program is designed in collaboration with industry partners and includes hand-on-hand experience with tools like Python, R, and machine learning platforms. Also, WSU ranked among the top 300 universities globally according to the Times Higher Education, and its location in Greater Western Sydney provides access to growing tech hubs and opportunity for the internships.
What do you know about your course?
The Bachelor's of Data Science at Western Sydney University is a 3 year full-time course. It focuses on data collection, analysis, and visualization using modern tools. The course includes core subjects like information, machine learning, programming, data mining, and big data. There are also electives and lots of options to participate in industry projects too of this course. This course also prepares students for careers such as data analysis, data engineers, and machine learning specialists.
What are your future career plans after completing your studies?
So after completing my Bachelor's of Data Science, I plan to work in Australia for a couple of years under the temporary graduate visa, which is subclass 485, to gain some practical experience. After that, I plan to return back to my home country and work in the sectors like finance, healthcare, or e-commerce, where data science is growing rapidly. My long-term goal is to become a data scientist and eventually lead data-driven projects in my home country.
Who is sponsoring your education? What are your financial arrangements?
So my education is being sponsored by my parents. My father is an entrepreneur. He owns a company named Miracle Career Consult, which is an international student recruitment agency which is located in Kathmandu. And my mother is a boutique designer. Well, my family annual income is around 48,000 Australian dollar, which I consider my family has sufficient and stable income to cover my tuition and living expenses in Australia. We have already arranged the first year tuition fee and living expenses in saving around of 25,000 Australian dollar. I have also overseas student health cover for the entire duration of the course.
Do you plan to stay Australia permanently?
No, I don't have any plans to stay in Australia permanently. My goal is to gain quality education and relevant work experience that will help me build a successful career in my home country. Returning home will allow me to contribute to the growing tech and data industry there.
What about the cost of living and tuition fees in Australia?
Yes, I have done detailed research. The annual tuition fee for my course is approximately 33,000 Australian dollar. Living costs in Sydney are estimated at around 21,000 Australian dollar per year as per the Department of the Home Affairs. I have also considered accommodation, transportation, food, health insurance, and other personal expenses in my planning.
What challenges do you expect while studying in Australia?
So initially I might face challenges like adapting to new education system, homesickness, and managing my time effectively. However, I believe I am well prepared and adaptable. I also plan to participate in university orientation programs, students club, and seek from other international students support service if needed.
Have you applied to any other universities?
Yes, I have also considered Victoria University and Stanley College, but I chose Western Sydney University because of its modern facilities, practical curriculum, and industry connection with more aligned with my career goal in data science.
What will you do if your visa is refused?
So if my visa is refused, I will try to understand the reason for the refusal. If it's a correctable issue, I will address it and reapply. If not, then I will explore alternative options for continuing my education in data science in other countries or locally.